computer. Here we go. Okay. So we're going to open up all of our tabs that we need for this class. Okay. So we have our Zoom. Then we're going to do Google Classroom. See how I have this little icon right here? That's my Google Classroom. Okay. That's because I went to Google Classroom and I clicked this star. And when you click this star, it saves right here to your bookmarks bar. And see how this one has words next to it, point/doc. For this one, because I know this means Google Classroom, I just deleted all the words. So you could have words next to it that say Google Classroom, or it can just be blank. So let's scroll down and get to this class. Here we go. Now we're going to click on classwork. And we want to open this assignment, but we also want to keep this open. So as soon as it loads, we will click it. There's the code right there, but you should be able to just click and it will open in a new tab. And then I don't know if we need another tab for this class, but as soon as I log in here, I'm going to show you how to group your tabs together. Yes. Okay. So now I have Google Classroom, today's Nearpod, and the Zoom. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to come up here to this first tab. Now this is the trick. So everybody follow along. You're going to right click, or another way of right clicking is by using 2 fingers to click on your trackpad. On some devices, you can hold down the control key on your keyboard while you click. But what you want to appear is this. You want to see this menu when you right click on a tab. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add tab to new group. I'm going to click this. I'm going to name it ELA 6 because I teach a bunch of different grades. For you, you could just put ELA. You could put Miss Bradley's class. You could really label it anything you want. Okay. And I'm going to color it blue because the Google Classroom is blue. So I'll keep it together. Okay. And then I'll just hit enter. Now I want to put all these in this group. So I'm going to come right click on this one, add tab to group, boom. Boom. And now I have this one here for my next class. So maybe if you want to go to a different Google Classroom, you can come make a new tab, click Google Classroom again. I'll go down and click on my 4th grade ESOL class because that's the next one I'm going to teach today. All right, I'm going to open this up. And I know I'm also going to need Flocabulary open for them today. So I'm going to go to flocabulary.com. I'm going to have that ready. And those are the only 2 things I want ready for my next class today. So now I'm going to create another group, add tab to group, but I want new group. Now I'm going to call this ESOL 4 and I'm going to color it. Let's see, I want it purple and enter. And I want to add this one to it. Boom. Now you can keep these tabs open, but I don't need my ESOL 4 tabs right now. So what I do is I click this and it kind of groups them all behind this label. Okay. And then when I'm done with this one, I could just click this and those will all go into their little pocket. Is that not the coolest thing? Does anyone have questions about this or comments? Good. Yeah, cool.